Okay, so this is the one that had the cover on it. And I went in and told the customer, and she's like, well, I just turned the fan to on. And I looked at the thermostat. The thermostat is set to system off, fan on. AC's running. And she asked me to figure out why. So that's what we're going to do now. Okay, this is what we got. This is a Bryant 395 CAV 042091, 3.5 ton, 91,000. Oh my lord, what's going on here? Light going on the subject. Well, here's my air conditioning wire right there, and they got red running to R, G running to Y, and W to white, and green to common, blue to G. I think it's up. I think it's reversed upstairs. I think I already looked at it. Let me go upstairs and look at the wiring. I think when I took the thermostat off before, I think blue is on the Y terminal. And G's on the G terminal, or green's on the G terminal. Hold on. So somehow, that's how they did that. They got the wires mixed up. Must have been a colorblind guy like myself. But we are gonna fix it. We are gonna fix it really quick. If I can find a 6-in-1. Something. I guess this will work. So this. Oh. That's goofy. Totally goofy. And she had just bought the house. I think she moved in on Thursday. Or no. Yeah, she's been here a week. Okay, that should fix the problem. So now I flip the switch. No fan. No, the fan's gonna come on. The AC's not gonna come on. There's a fan switched on upstairs. But she had also asked me to look at the condition of the furnace. We are going to do a safety check. Because she's already talking about wanting an estimate for replacement. crack there. And I have to go get the camera. Let me go get the camera. Another thing the home inspector said up there, right there, and over here, it's rusted really bad, right there. So the plenum's got to be replaced because of that mist humidifier. So I guarantee, well, it's on top of a coil, so heat exchanger shouldn't be too rusted. But let me go grab a camera. Alright, so I got my camera. We're going to look at the outside cells. And cracked. Right there. You see the crack in the middle of the screen. Don't mind the time on the camera because I never set it. It's got some rust. Real restrictive coil too. See it right at the top, right of the camera. Don't have my usual camera today, I'm using my phone. That's correct. Oh, there's a doozy. Oh, wow, man. That on video. Yeah, look at that. See it? That's good and cracked. Oh boy. So, what I'm gonna hear, since she just bought the house, is why didn't the home inspector catch it? Well, by law in Michigan, home inspectors can't do what I'm doing, which I wouldn't want them to. Because they're not heating guys. Let me go grab the customer. Well, that sucks because she had just bought the house. She had just moved into the house. But she said she kind of knew that she was going to have to be replacing at least the hot water tank. She didn't really know about the furnace. So, in Michigan, home inspectors are only allowed to go so far. They can't, let's say, do what we do take apart the furnace, they can only look at it and notice, you know, like, he did point out the age of the furnace. He did point out the ductwork was rusting. I don't know if he told her why, but, and he does a CO check, and that's really all they can really do. They can't do too much past that. You know, they can take the doors off, they can look in the compartments, but when it comes down to actually taking physical parts off of the furnace or the AC, they cannot do that. So it sucks when I come in 2 weeks, a week later, to do, either they have a problem with the furnace or do another inspection. I don't know. Usually this is what happens, and they get kind of mad, and I have to explain to them, hey, the home inspector can only do so much. They cannot take apart the furnace like I can and put cameras in them and so on. So it might be different in other states, but that's how it is in Michigan. That's how it's always been. So when it comes down to it, you know, just because of she had a wiring issue, you know, I want to make sure she's safe in her brand new house. Well, not brand new to her. So did a safety inspection, and that's what I found. Found what, three out of the 5 cells cracked, or 4 cells. So that's it for this one, and we will see you on the next one. Don't know what that's gonna be. Alright guys, like and subscribe.